Can an iPhone really replace your camera? We're gonna find out right now. So last year, I made a video comparison comparing my iPhone 7 Plus to the Canon G7X. You guys seem to love that video, so why not, let's bring it back, but this time instead of the iPhone 7 Plus, we're gonna bring in the iPhone 10. So iPhone 10 camera versus the Canon G7X camera. Since this is a comparison video, let's talk about the specs real quick. I'm just gonna throw them on screen. I'm not gonna actually say all the specs because I believe it's all about the image quality and the video quality. Someone's eyes might be different. Someone might like a more darker image, or someone might like a more brighter picture, but it just depends on you. Alright guys, so I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to be showing you guys 10 images, and under each image I'm going to have the letter A and I'm going to have the letter B. And in the comments down below, all you guys do is just comment which one you like better, and then which one have the most votes by yourself, I guess, the one that you pick the most wins basically. So there's no winner or loser here. Both of these cameras are amazing, and of course I'm going to do the same thing when it comes down to the video. So let's roll the clips. Let's roll the comparison. my god, something was on my iPhone's camera settings. Auto HDR. My Canon G7X doesn't really have HDR. Well, I don't know. I only use this camera to shoot video. Look at the skies. They both do an amazing job, but the iPhone does a better job. Trust me, I look kind of crazy with two cameras in my hand, but I'm doing it for you guys. Anyway, let me know in the comments, how's the audio? Alright guys, so this is the rear shooter on the iPhone 10. Let me know down in the comments down below, how's the camera quality. I think it's gonna look pretty sick, especially with that sunset in the background. Let me walk around a little bit so you have different lightings. I guess you could say this is not really low light, it's almost about to be low light, but yeah, let me know down in the comments down below, how's the quality. Alright guys, so this is the front facing camera on the iPhone 10. Let me know down in the comments down below, how's the quality. I know it's not gonna be better than the rear, but is it that bad? I don't know, let me know. This sunset is amazing. The sky is purple, orange, it's just beautiful. Hold on, I gotta take a picture. Alright guys, so now this is the Canon G7X video quality. This is my go-to camera. I think the quality looked pretty sick though. And that's one thing I like about the Canon G7X. The flip out screen is a game changer for me. If I turn around, the lighting gets a little worse because the light is in back of me, but this right here is perfect lighting. But let me know down in the comments down below, and how's the audio? Alright guys, this is the low light shot on the Canon G7X. Let me know down in the comments down below, how's the performance. And I think this is going to be better. I think this is going to win airplane. But let me know down in the comments down below, how's the audio. And I'm getting a little bit of light here too. Alright guys, this is on the iPhone 10, low light performance. I figure this is important. If you're vlogging at night using a front facing camera, this is how your iPhone will look like. So just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. And of course, let me know how the audio sound. And let me know how the quality is. Alright guys, this is the rear camera on the iPhone 10. And let me know down in the comments down below, how's the quality now? Is it better than the front facing camera, or is the rear camera the way to go? Which it is. Of course, this is 1080p at 60 frames per second, and this is a low light shot. So let me know down in the comments down below, how's the quality. Do you think the iPhone 10's camera was better than the Canon G7X? Very, very curious. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Later. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and until next time, peace.